Wow, nandito na tayo sa Banaue Rice Terraces, the #1 tourist spot in the Philippines. It shows the ingenuity of the Filipinos in engineering. You see that? There's a waterfalls. Kita yung mountain na yan. Banaue! Pwede palang bumaba dito. Hanggang doon. Oh, ayan. Close up natin ang falls. Ayan. Ayan. A closer look of the Banaue Rice Terraces.
Complete na yung subject ko sa Arabic kami po na I'm here. Shout out to my teacher ng elementary. Bagong building na siya.
Opo, mga hotel dito siguro.
So there's a hotel being constructed here. Kikita nyo talaga dito. Another closer look of this waterfalls. Natural water. Sparkling water. Joey and Chino here. He has been to 40 countries around the world, but this is his first time to see the Banaue Rice Terraces. Chino, what can you say?
This is a magnificent view and picturesque view around me, and even if it's sunny, you can still feel the coldness of the place.
Okay, comparing it to where have you been before?
I can't compare it to anyone else and any places in the world. This is something like a perfect place to be.
Really?
Yeah.
By the way, Chino here is a good friend of mine. He is an international journalist and author of 12 books. Yes. And this is Doc Red. This is Mayan. Tita J there. And Joey.
Alright.
So we have a place like this in the Philippines. Only in the Philippines. Let's take a look here kung ano yung... Oh, for picture, wooden scooter. Kung gusto mo mag-bike. Ito yung nakikita nyo guys sa ibang videos. Na ang bike is made of wood. So, ito yung landmark dito. Estimated the Rice Terraces was completed 1,000 years before Christ. So, before yung mga modern civilization existed, this Rice Terraces already existed. So, this is a civil engineering project believed to have been completed in 2000 BC. The Rice Terraces etched onto the mountainside of Ifugao depict the Filipino ingenuity and has withstood time through the centuries. So yun po ang talent ng Filipinos. So makikita nyo yung mga modern buildings around the world. Those are man-made, pero nakita nyo yung civil engineering ng mga Filipinos. Perfect. Walang katulad. So no wonder na magaling talaga ang Pilipino kahit sa engineering. Hindi lang sa entertainment. So you see those? Let's take a closer look. Ayan. Guys, especially those who have been abroad, ang dami na napuntang lugar pero hindi pa rin nakakapunta rito. Make it a priority to visit the Banaue Rice Terraces. For me, really, this is the #1 tourist spot in the Philippines. You see that? Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to the Banaue Rice Terraces, a showcase of Filipino ingenuity. Before other civilizations were established, we already have this in the Philippines. So guys, if this is your first time to watch a video of mine, please click the red subscribe button below so that you can also watch my other videos, and don't forget to comment, share, and of course watch it to the end.